Hello everyone, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening everyone.
How are you, sir?
Yeah, good evening. I'm good. I'm good. Okay, shall we start our class?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, sure.
Yes, sure.
Yeah. Okay, so white one is my server. Remaining two are my nodes. Let me rename this tab. So if you do ls, you can see these are the playbooks which are created by me in our previous classes, right? We have seen how to create file, how to create folder, how to create user and all those things, right? Now we'll continue. We have many more playbooks now we are going to write. Let's see how to install a package. How to install a package. So for that, what I'll do, let me take any file so that I can copy the content. Okay. So let me copy. You take any file content so that you need not to rewrite the entire code again and again. Okay. I'm creating new playbook called install_package.yml. Install_package. Okay. Packages. Install_packages.yml. Let me open our playbook. Here we are going to edit this code. Okay, I don't know how to install a package. I don't know how to write code to install a package. No problem, simple. Go here and just type here package module in Ansible. Okay, package module Ansible. Either you can go to official website or you can go to any other websites also. Okay, sometimes in other websites they mention clearly. Okay, suppose you can see how to install softwares with Ansible. Okay, you can go to any website. Here you can see the content, how they have written. Okay, you can see. This is how we can install a package. Okay. What is this one second? Okay, let me take you to official website. Package modules. Yeah, you can see here they have mentioned clearly that. See, first they have been displaying install latest version of Apache. Then see here, module name is Yum. Module name. Okay, name of package equal to HTTPD, state equal to latest. Or you can mention present also. Here you can see if you want to mention whether latest or present, no problem. Just you come here. You come here. Here you can see the state. Okay, you can see state. What we have to mention, whether to install. If you want to install, either you can mention present or installed or latest. If you want to install the package, either you can mention, you mention 3 states. If you want to remove, either you can mention absent or remove. So that is up to you. Okay, that's why you can mention either present or installed or latest. Okay, so what we mentioned, either present or installed, you can see or latest, whatever you want. Okay, let me copy this content. Come here and just paste it. Okay, just remove all these things. Now, right click. That's it. Now observe this alignment and all. That's it. You can see name equal to, here you can mention any name. Install package. Then we are using Yum module. What's the package name? Okay, I would like to install HTTPD. Or okay, any package you can give Git. Okay, I would like to install Git. Then state equal to either present or latest or installed. You can mention any of these things. Okay. That's it. Okay. If you run it, then automatically package will be installed. Let me verify. Let's come out. Before I run, let me verify whether Git is there or not. Okay, Git is there here also. Git is there. Let me uninstall Git. Sudo yum remove git -y. Just to so that it can install freshly, right? That's the reason. I just wanted to show you what kind of output it is going to show you when it installs the package. Okay, so let me run this playbook. Yeah, Ansible-playbook. What's the playbook name? Install underscore package.yml. Now enter. That's it. Now you can see package will be installed. That is so. You can see package is there. Now how to verify? See, if you rerun, if you try to rerun, you can see what kind of output it is going to show you. It is saying that, hey, nothing to install because already package is already there. Now verify. You can see freshly it installed Git. Like that. That is how it works. You can try with one more. Okay, let's install one more package. CP install packages. Let me, guys, every time I'm creating new playbooks so that I can share all these playbooks with you. Yeah, just packages.yml. I'm creating one new playbook called packages.yml. Now enter. Now vi package.yml. Now here, let's change the package name. What we can do, yeah, we can try with the tree, right? Tree package, we can do it. Yeah, now here I would like to show you one thing. See, if you don't mention become, see here I'm commenting. See here, when you put hash, okay, in front of any line, that is what commenting. That means while executing, that particular line will not be considered. That means it is equivalent to like we are running this playbook without sudo privileges, correct? So without sudo privileges, Ansible cannot install any package. That means obviously the expected output is error, correct? Let's try. But before that, let's verify whether we have tree is there or not. Oh, tree is there. Let me uninstall tree. Remove tree -5. Let me remove tree from node also. Okay, I have removed tree. Now let me rerun this playbook. Okay. Ansible-playbook. What is the playbook name? Packages. Correct? Package.yml. Now enter. Yeah, you can see, obviously, expected error. You can see, you need to be root to perform this action. Obviously, correct. So without sudo privileges, how can Ansible install packages? Now what we do, just open it up. Now just remove it. Okay. That's it. Now it will work. Now it will definitely work. Yeah. I would like to show you one more thing. Here, see, I have commented only. Here, commented only. Still, I did not remove comment. You can see. Now, what you can do here, while running this playbook, at the end, you can mention -b. At the end, here you can mention -b. That means, yes, this playbook will be executed with sudo privileges. You can see here I'm mentioning b, right? Now it will work. You can see. So like that, you have multiple ways. Now it is fine, even though you commented that line. Got it? That is so you can be able to do it. Okay. Let me show you one more thing. Let me uninstall this tree package. Here also. Yeah. Now let me open this playbook. Here, let me remove this comment. Okay, now it's a perfect playbook. Everything is fine. Let me come out. See, if I run this playbook, what actually happens? Tree package will be installed in both nodes. But before I run this playbook, at the end, I'm going to mention -, check. See, -, check. This is what we call DryRun. Okay, DryRun. This is what we call. So if you mention -, check, let's see. You will tell me what is going to happen. Okay, enter. You can see output, right? So if I show this output to anyone, what they think that yes, it has successfully installed package. You can see in yellow color it changes means. Tell me, yes, it installed package or not? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it seems like it installed, correct? Seems like the output, by seeing this output, we generally assume that yes, it has successfully installed package in all nodes, but that is not the case. Verify. Which tree? Tree is there? No. Here, tree is there? It is not there. Why? Because see, this is what we call dry run. Dry run. Dry run means when you mention -, check, it shows, it behaves like it actually executed the playbook. See, server nodes. Server, if it executes successfully, then what kind of output it shows? That output it is going to show you. It won't execute actually in nodes. But after execution, whatever output generally we get, expected output, it is going to show you. That means by seeing that, you can understand that yes, my playbook has been formatted successfully. See, by seeing that, we can understand that yes, if I run this playbook, this is the output I'm going to get. That means I'm pretty sure that my playbook is formatted properly. No errors, no syntax errors. Syntax means spaces, colons, that. So by seeing that, we can understand that yes, my playbook is perfectly fine. So it is a kind of confirmation. Now you remove this check. Now you run like that. That means before we execute, we verify once whether my playbook has been formatted properly or not. Further, we use -, check. That is what we call dry run. Okay, just remember that. Okay, now, so far we have been doing one task by using one module. Now onwards, what we'll do, we will try to add multiple tasks by using multiple modules. Okay, yeah, let me copy my playbook. CP, yeah, install packages. From this I'm going to copy a new playbook. Okay, install. Let me install a package called httpd. httpd. Okay. vi install httpd. Got it? Now go inside this one. Okay. So here task is same yum. In place of git, we mention the package name called httpd. That already you know. Okay. One more task I need to mention. Correct? Simple. What do you do? Just copy the same thing. Just repeat. Correct? One more task. So here I would like to start service. Start service. That's the name. I don't know which module we use to start service. So what you do? Come here and service module in Ansible. Guys, why I'm showing this website? It is not like I don't know these modules and no. Why I'm showing? Because in companies tomorrow, if they give any new task, okay, you should know how to come to website and how to verify. That's the reason I'm showing every now and then website. It's not like I don't know. I know these things, modules and all. Just I wanted to teach how you verify the website if you get any new task in company. That is the reason. Okay, service module in Ansible. Okay, manage services. You go to any one of these websites, open it. Yeah. Now scroll down. Here you can see this is how service module we use. Yeah, you can see that's all. Just copy it and come here. Just remove all these things. Now right click. That's it. Service. Okay, service colon. Name HTTP state. Okay, what are the states that we can mention? Here they mention started. But what are the states that we can mention? You can see reloaded, restarted, running, started, stopped. Started, stopped are, these are the things mostly we use. Either you can give restart or reload. That's the thing mostly we mention. Either started, stopped, or restarted, reloaded. Restarted, reloaded, both are kind of same. You can use anyone. So started means it is going to start. That means package will be installed, service will be started. Both actions will be executed. See, two modules. Yum module I'm using, service module I'm using. Right? That's the beauty of playbook. In playbook, we can mention multiple tasks. Okay, before I run this playbook, let me verify. Oh, HTTPD is there. So let's remove. Yum remove HTTPD minus. Why I'm removing? So that it can install freshly and the output, whatever it is going to show you, that I wanted to show you. That's the reason. Okay, let me run this playbook so that it will install package it will start service. That is install underscore httpd dot vendor. The vendor. Yeah, here you can see initially it installed package successfully and it started service. So to change it. If you want to verify, just go and verify which httpd it is there. httpd status. You can see active and running. Got it? That is how it is going to. If you rerun, then it is not going to take any action. Obviously, package is there, service also is running, so it is not going to take any action. Correct? That is the thing. Suppose if you want to uninstall package, what do you do? Simple. This part you mentioned here, it should come first. This should come second. Because see, first you in a reverse order, right? If you go like this, while coming, you have to come like the reverse order, right? So what you do? First you stop service, stopped here first. Then uninstalled, package will be uninstalled. You just reverse these two, tasks so that, service will be stopped and package will be uninstalled. That anyways, these things you can able to do it. Got it? That is so. Now, if you want to verify, just go and verify. See, that means I have installed this package in my both nodes. So you take this node and take public API. Just paste here, you can see HTTPD homepage, right? Just we installed and service we started, right? That's why you can see it's a home page. If you put any file, then it will show that file content as well. That is how it is going to work. Got it? Okay, let's read that also. We'll do it. We'll add that file as well. Okay, let's do it now. Yeah, we'll do one thing. Before I add that one, let me explain one more thing, guys. Whenever this kind of dependency task is a dependency, like suppose I want to install Git package, I want to install tree package. Is there any dependency between these two? No, there is no dependency because these are two individual tasks. I want to install HTTP package. I want to start HTTP service. Is there any dependency? Yes, there is a dependency. After installing this package, only you can start service. But here, in first case, there is no dependency. In first case, there is no dependency. But in second case, there is interdependency. Correct? After installing first package, then only you can install second package. Whenever this kind of dependency is there, then it is always recommended to use the major first task under task section and dependency task under handler section. Okay, primary task under task section, dependency task under handler section. Okay, that's a recommended. That's actually a good practice, but that's okay. That is up to you, but it's always good practice. Let me show you. Okay, already we have this on it, install HTTP. Let me modify the same one. Okay, so here we mentioned both as tasks, right? Here what we do, we are going to add one more section, that is handlers. Handlers, HANDLERS, handlers. That's it, simple. So main task under task section, dependency task under handler section. So why we should do? So what actually it does, if main task under task section, dependency task under handler. What actually, if this task executes, if it executes and output is successful, then only it will call this task. Otherwise, no. Okay. If first task is successfully executed, then only it will execute second task. Otherwise, no. Otherwise, no. Okay. But if you mention as two different tasks, instead of mentioning handler, if you mention as two different tasks, okay. If you mention as two different tasks, so these are two independent tasks, right? It won't, even whether it is successful or not, it will not affect like this. Let me tell you one thing. Let me put it in a simple, clear terms. See, now this is primary task. This is dependency task. Okay. If I run this playbook, assume that package is not there. So first this will be installed. Once it is successful, then only it will call this one. Then only. Otherwise it will not call. Otherwise it will not call. But if you mention as two different tasks, whether it is successful or not, it will call second one. Okay. Let me prove it. I'll prove it. Okay. Let me uninstall the package. So here, see what I said, under tasks, we have yellow color, pink color, blue color, 3 tasks are there, right? Okay. Under handler, we have yellow color, pink color, blue color handlers. So this task respect to dependency is this one. Okay. How does it come to that? After this task, its task dependency this one only. There must be some connection, right? Suppose it's a HTTPD service. There must be some relation, right? Must be. Because, okay, after this task, it may call this one. So there must be some dependency, right? After this task, it should call this one only. So that's why what we do here, we add one more thing, that is notify here notify we have to add here. Notify colon whatever display name here display name plays a crucial role. Whatever display name you have to give the same. Even if you make any one spelling mistake, it will not work. That means once this task is over, it will look for this display name under handler section. Wherever that name matches, so it will call respective task. That's how we add dependency, interdependency, by using handler and notify. Okay. Now, what actually happens? If I run this playbook, you can say Ansible playbook install HTTP. See, it is going to install package. It is going to start service, both. Correct? It is going to install package. It is going to start. If I rerun this one, see, if I rerun this one, what actually happens? Earlier, if I rerun this one, now first it will verify whether package is there or not. Package is there in both. So that means this task is not executed. Package is already there in both machines. So it won't even verify whether service is there or not. It won't even verify. Because once it is successfully executed, then only it will call this one. Since it is already there, it won't even touch. It won't even verify. See? If I rerun this one, see the output? It won't even touch that, dependency one. You can see earlier it installed a package, it started service. Now, if I rerun this one, now package is already there. That's why it did not even touch that service, whether it did not even verify whether service is running or stopped. No, it's unnecessary. Okay, that's all. But earlier, when I mentioned those two as two different tasks, when I mentioned as two different tasks, see, it verified package, then it verified service also. That's a difference. Okay, whenever any dependency task is there, it is highly recommended to mention as main task in task section, dependency task in handler section. That is recommended, but that's okay. It's not a big deal actually. Either you can mention as two different tasks like this, or you can mention as handler section. That is also fine. But you should know. That's okay. It's a bit confusing, but I'm pretty sure if you go through video slowly once again, then things will be clear. Just you need to go through, because it's not like, it's a here important thing is not repetition. It's here important thing is revision. You have to go through 2 to 3 times, then things will be clear. Okay.